Hi friends, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 online video lesson series. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about how you can apply a theme to your PowerPoint presentation. So we have created new slide with blank presentation type. So it has no background or no any theme applied. So to apply theme, you can go to this design ribbon and from here you can apply various kind of themes. So let's see how you can do it. As you can see, here are the themes available. Click on to this drop down arrow to see more themes available. So these are some themes available and provided by Microsoft PowerPoint, and you will see what are the colors is provided by particular themes. So these themes have this particular color combination, and each and every theme will have different kind of color combination. So I am selecting this theme. So click on to that theme and it will be applied to your complete presentation. So as you can see, this theme is applied to all the slide which I have in my presentation, and it is looking really good. As you can see, this is my content slide, this is my picture size. I can adjust it as per my slide. This is my table and I am making it little bit small because it was covering my slide graphics. And this is my picture slide. So I am adjusting a little bit so it looks good. I am making little bit small this picture. So now it's looking really good. So this way you can apply particular theme to any slideshow. Now I am selecting this one. So this theme will be applied to your whole presentation and all the slides which you have in your presentation. But previous slide was looking good, I think. So this is my new theme. But I am selecting this one because it looks really professional. So as I have selected, this theme is applied to my complete presentation. And here are some variants. If you want another color combination, like this is a blue ribbon, and if you want it in orange, then you can choose this variant. So there are many variants also available. So I am selecting this variant and it will apply to this presentation. So as you can see, now this variant is applied to my presentation. So this way you can apply various kind of themes to your presentation. Thank you very much.